Strong Lady Mechanics here. I am lifting up the oil pan and I'm taking off this motor mount so I can get to the starter. It's right underneath this. And then you can pause it. And then, so here's the motor mount. Let's take this out first. Oh, they need a new motor mount. This is why your motor shakes and vibrates. I'm gonna have to let the customer know if they want me to replace that. And then I gotta take this mount out. Right here. Go. And then the starter's right there.
I believe in you, brother.
Oh, Jesus. Okay. All right.
All right, pausing.